Do you have special recommendation for people who drive or travel during ice storm?
Making sure that they have supplies in their cars. If they do get stuck somewhere, there's something called trip check that you can check before you leave. I don't know why I want to mention this, but I also want to say, make sure that you avoid judging people that are out on the roadway in winter weather. This last season, I heard a lot of people saying, why didn't those people just stay home? And why are they out on the roadway? There are a lot of people in our communities that are required to go to work, that have to be out on our roadways. So I think being gentle and understanding with people that have to be out on the roadways. So if you are one of those folks and you can't avoid travel, it's surprising how dehydrated you get in winter weather. So making sure that you have water in your car, and you can't leave it in your car because it will freeze, but making sure that you bring extra water with you when you're in your car. I always carry toilet paper in my car just because, but having a little kit in your car with snacks. Nuts make a great snack because they're a lot of protein, can replenish some of the salt. So having snacks in your car, flashlights, reflective things in case your car breaks down and you're on the roadway. Being really careful about if your car breaks down and you're out in the cold. Being on the roadway anywhere, making sure you have reflective gear, because drivers, they are paying attention to the driving and not necessarily expecting to see people on the roadway. So staying in your car, a charged cell phone, making sure you have the charger system in your car so that you can, when I get into my car when it's winter weather, I plug my phone in. That it's just a habit to make sure that it's always charged.
Yeah, and I think when I add on, in addition to all the ways she just mentioned, make sure you have also a nice pair of shoes to wear. Sometimes it could be new sandals, maybe it was sunny when you left the house and things change quickly. And if you need to leave your car, if you cannot drive, at least have a good pair of shoes you can wear. Another thing I want to mention is that if you're like me, you don't have a lot of experience driving in winter weather or snow weather, is just make sure that you drive slowly and you keep your lights on. And honestly, if you don't have to leave your home, just don't. So at least we can leave the roads open for emergency responders and maybe other people who need to get out. But if you don't have to,